Good morning, respected viewers and audience. I am Dr. D.C. Ray, a veteran HR and business operations professional across 35 years. I had been working with large groups like Aditya Birla, RPG, Himadri Group, and many other groups across my career. As of now, I am retired and giving consulting to many organizations in different domains. Today, out of my corporate experiences as also advisory and consulting experiences, I want to share some of the critical aspects, issues, dimensions and variables which I have come across my career. What I perceive from my own point of view is that the corporates are very much facing challenges, and for sure these are needed to be addressed in any cost for survival and growth in the dynamic changes in the global as also national business environment. One and all organizations will probably appreciate that the business environment is volatile on all the fronts and very challenging. Cost drivers are increasing, revenue drivers are under threat, and survival and growth are very much in question. Performance drivers under very much challenging. Corporate efficiency and effectiveness in terms of ratio and percentage on new dimensions and variables of organization are either not measured or not attended to, or analysis is not in practice. Talent acquisition, talent management, talent development, these buzzwords are in very much in use. But the question remains, are those really focused into by internal HR or need external expertise is $1 million question, irrespective of size and nature of the industry. Another point is, are the business of the business are well understood by all the key players in the organization comprising of the stakeholders A to Z is again a critical question. Are the business of the business is being analyzed by all the stakeholders from their own point of view, or collectively, or in isolation. If it is in isolation, there is a huge question mark whether those are aligned, integrated, and put into the practice in the business environment and business management in all perspectives. Capability building at organizational level as well as individual level are continuously to be assessed, to be monitored, gaps are to be identified. Are we as an organization as a whole have a designed action plan to address these gaps? Have we prepared action plan, short term, mid term or long term, to address those issues? Or even if the action plan is taken, Are we really effectively attending those, implemented those? Is again a magnetic question, because these are necessary to compete our competition, and competition is growing like anything in high rocket speed. In such an obvious situation, organizations, small, medium and large, are in acute needs of revisit strategies to give drive how to improve productivity, whether restructuring, re-engineering, right sizing, benchmarking are required, or even are there changes required in leadership styles? Wherever trade unions are dominating across in Indian environment, are we really handling effectively the industrial strife, industrial relations, employee relations, negotiations, engagements, so on and so forth? Many a times we happen to make separate blocks for each of these components, which are really may not be effective in the long run. This may be a piecemeal approach to solve the situation or to address the situation. Now the question arises to, as to why and how the overall capability building and delivery of all resources can be availed of by doing SWOT analysis, not in a only a macro domain, but also in micro domains across the organization for its survival and growth. Competing over competition and building strength on strength is the call of the day. This is my short speech. I am in practice to address these issues with my team. If any organization, whether small, big or large, or scattered here and there, or startup, whoever may require our services, may kindly give us a call in 9748867381. I repeat, 9748867381. I am hopeful, dear leaders, respected leaders in the organizations who are in my connection in the LinkedIn, will be obviously focusing on my bullet point words, which are really has comprehensive meaning for organizational and business success for now, for near future and future ahead to go. Thank you very much for your attending.